Hi everyone, welcome back to Sun's Arts. If you're new, welcome to the family. Today we are going to make farmhouse themed DIYs in purple color and also for a special cause which I'm going to talk about in a minute. And for this I'm going to take one of this cute farmhouse cow with a light, so we're going to use the front part of it. This is one of the purple shadow box that I used earlier, so I'm going to remove the tissue paper by applying water and I'm just scraping it down with this tool. And I'm going to paint white chalk paint just the inside without disturbing the purple border. I could have used painter's tape, but I was carefully doing it without touching the borders. After it is dried, I just took a little bit of a hot glue and to the legs of this beautiful cow, and I'm attaching that on top of the shadow box. I also took one small flat bead and applied hot glue over there to make this cow stand on its own. You know what I mean, right? So just applied this cow onto this shadow box, and I'm taking all this beautiful greenery, and I also created a bow with white and black gingham ribbon and some sheer ribbon together with some burlap pieces. And I'm also going to attach one of this cute purple bow with a burlap bow on top of it. And I stuck all these bows in the center of the shadow box. I'm attaching some of this greenery and some white flowers to fill the decor on the top. And this is how it looks after all the decoration is done. Isn't this cute? I just love the farm fresh cow in the center of the purple board with a hint of a farmhouse themed ribbon and also the purple ribbon with greenery. And I think it is unique and also pretty. I love it, so I wanted to hear what your thoughts are. Bash your stash with purple, and this is something that we have to make a DIY from our stash and also in purple color to support epilepsy awareness. And this is hosted by Kate from So Kate, and also the co-host would be Buckeye Girl and Read Something. I'm going to link the crafting channels of these creative ladies in my description box, as well as a link to the playlist. So please watch all our videos and give lots of love. Let's move on to DIY number 2. For this DIY, I'm going to use one of this board where I stuck the beads on the corner and I painted all over with white chalk paint and let it dry. After it's dried, I just took this beautiful purple paint and I got this stencil from Amazon, and I'm trying to use this. I just placed it in the center and I'm applying this purple paint all over it, and I carefully filled in those gaps to transfer the buffalo plaid, but I didn't like the way it turned out. It didn't transfer properly, so I just spread it all over with the same purple paint. I gave like a purple background, and I took one of this chicken sign. I'm just pulling out the front part of this chicken light and I'm going to attach that. So I just took generous amount of hot glue to the back of this cute rooster. I think it's not chicken, rooster. So I'm just attaching that to the center of this painter surface. And this is one of the cute bow that I got during Christmas time from Dollar Tree, and this is also like a buffalo plaid ribbon. And then I actually attached some of this greenery on either side of this cute bow, and some greenery and some purple flowers, white flowers, and I think I finished it by attaching one of the bead in the center of the bow to finish the look, and you're gonna see that in a second. Isn't this pretty? I just love the purple is complementing well with this brown farmhouse rooster sign. I was skeptical how it will turn out being like purple adding to this farmhouse themed DIYs, but I'm happy with the look. So yeah, this is one of the cute rise and shine rooster sign a farmhouse theme in purple color. So I hope you like it. I love it though. Please let me know your thoughts. Let's move on to DIY number 3. For this DIY, I took one of this round coasters which has farm fresh written on it with all 3 farm animals, and I just dry brushed with white chalk paint all over it to give like nice aged look there. I also have this purple planter from Dollar Tree. I think I got this during springtime, and I took generous amount of hot glue and I stuck this coaster on top of this purple planter, and I filled some of styrofoam and some Spanish moss, and I attached some eucalyptus greenery in the center. Now I'm filling with some purple flowers. Using jute twine, I created a bow and I attached to one of this another piece of jute twine, and I'm attaching that around the planter just like so. And I also created one of this cute bow with this gingham black and white ribbon, and I created a bow out of it, and I'm attaching that on top of this burlap bow, and I attach one white pearl in the center to finish the look. Isn't this pretty? I just love how the purple planter with a lot of flowers and this farmhouse sign in the center with the bow on the top and burlap bow and those eucalyptus greenery and the purple flowers, white flowers. I just love the whole look of this farmhouse planter with the pop of a color. So yeah, this is another cute purple farmhouse themed DIY. I'm extremely happy with this. I think this is my favorite today. So yeah, this is another planter that I wanted to share with you all today. So yeah, please let me know your thoughts. If you'd like to connect with me on social media, these are some of the links that you can use. Now we reached to the final reveal of this video, and this video is all about making crafts DIYs from your crafting stash, and that too in purple to support epilepsy awareness. And I picked up some of this farmhouse pieces. They were lying in my stash from a long time, and purple is something that it's one of my favorite colors. So I wanted to add all these pieces in a farmhouse style, but like I said, I was very skeptical, but they all turned out beautiful. And yeah, I'm happy with the final result. So I hope you enjoyed watching and working along with me. And if you like some of these ideas and you would like to join the family, I'd be more than happy if you click on the subscribe button and join the family. And please don't forget to hit on the bell icon for me to get any updates when I upload videos like this. And I want to take a minute to thank all of you for taking some time from your busy schedule to watch this video, and I'm very grateful, you guys. Thank you so much for the kindest and sweetest comments and the support that you've been giving. Thank you so much, you guys. And until next time, if you'd like to see some of my videos, I'm going to tag some in the right corner of the screen. And like I always say, thank you so much for watching today, and I'm going to see you again.